Needs a little repair. Let's have a look. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! Now let's disassemble the log loader. Keep going. Perfect. Choose what you want to fix first. Wow, what a hole! It needs to be welded in. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. Keep going. Magnificent. Put a patch on it. Super. Awesome. Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Excellent. Magnificent. The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. Yay! It works! There's something wrong with the wires. Use a hammer to break the locks. That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. Perfect. Plug the wire into the right place. Square. Triangle. Circle. You fixed it! The pipe is broken. No gasoline is coming in. Looks like we need to cut these chains to open them. Pick up all the junk with pliers. Keep going. Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. Keep going. Yay! It worked! All done! Now help to assemble log loader. I appreciate your help. Now we can upgrade the parts. We need to get to the construction site. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Let's go! Let's go! Congratulations! Great job! You got a sticker for your great work! Unwrap the reward. Wow! What an amazing sticker! Here are the fascinating stickers you collected. Uh-oh! Something's broken! Drag the scanner to check it out! Super! Now let's disassemble the crane! Keep going! Perfect! Choose what you want to fix first! The track is broken! Uh-oh! Trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers! Keep going! That's great! Install the parts in the matching silhouette. The engine is broken. Let's take a look at it. Vacuum the dust and dirt. Awesome! Take apart the broken parts from the engine. Excellent! That's it! Let's install the new parts in the engine. Super duper! Wonderful! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. Keep going. Wow, what a hole! It needs to be welded in. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. Excellent! Awesome! Put a patch on it. Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Super! Wonderful! Now let's paint. Super! Great job! All done! Now help to assemble crane. That was wonderful! You can upgrade the vehicle. We need to get to the construction site. Keep going.